Ever dreamed of captivating millions on TikTok without ever showing your face? Imagine building a thriving online presence, all while maintaining your privacy. This course will reveal how AI tools like ChatGPT and Fleeky can make that dream a reality, transforming you into a faceless TikTok sensation. In today's fast-paced digital world, innovation is key. TikTok automation uses artificial intelligence to streamline and enhance your content creation. It helps you generate ideas and even create videos, freeing you from repetitive tasks. This powerful approach saves time and effort, allowing for consistent posting and effective audience engagement. It also unlocks new creative avenues, letting you explore unique concepts. However, balance is crucial. Avoid over-automation to maintain authenticity and credibility. Authenticity is paramount in TikTok automation. AI tools augment creativity, they don't replace it. Your genuine voice and relatable content are the bedrock for building a loyal fan base. Ready to build your anonymous TikTok empire? The first step is choosing a niche that truly excites you. Your passion will shine through your content, captivating viewers. Next, craft an enticing TikTok profile. Your bio should succinctly highlight your account's offerings, using relevant keywords for discoverability. Even without your face, your personality should shine through. Finally, identify your target audience. Understanding their demographics and interests will guide your content direction. This ensures your faceless account resonates with the right viewers. Now, let's bring your ideas to life. Start by using ChatGPT to generate engaging TikTok scripts. Be specific with your prompts to capture your video's theme perfectly. Always proofread and edit your ChatGPT-generated script for uniqueness and clarity. Tools like Grammarly can help refine the flow and infuse your personal style. This ensures your content is original and polished. Next, use Fleeky to transform your script into a stunning video. Select an appropriate AI voice or use Fleeky's voice cloning for a personal touch. Fleeky automatically selects media elements, or you can handpick them. Experiment with subtitles, fonts, colors, and background music to optimize visual appeal. Fleeky also offers an idea-to-video feature, creating a full video from just a concept. This shortcut is a time-saving gem for your creative journey. Consistency is vital for TikTok success. Develop a content schedule that aligns with your audience's preferences. Regular posting keeps your followers eagerly anticipating your next creation. Keep your audience hooked with fast-changing visuals. Split Fleeky's scenes into smaller units and use auto-picked or assigned media. This dynamic style maximizes watch time and engagement. Leverage hashtags and trending challenges to boost visibility. Research relevant hashtags for your niche and include them in your captions. Participating in trends exposes your content to a broader audience. Fleeky's word subtitle feature enhances engagement. Displaying text on screen as the AI voice narrates makes content accessible to all viewers. This caters to those watching without sound or who prefer to read along. Finally, engage genuinely with your audience. Reply to comments, like contributions, and acknowledge support. Building authentic connections fosters a community, turning casual viewers into dedicated fans. You now have the knowledge to thrive in the world of faceless TikTok accounts. Remember, while AI tools elevate your content, your unique voice and authenticity are your secret ingredients. Consistency and engagement are your guiding stars. The TikTok-verse awaits your brilliance. With ChatGPT and Fleeky by your side, you're equipped to conquer new horizons. Start creating your captivating content today and light up the screens of millions worldwide. Ready to launch your faceless TikTok empire? Head over to ChatGPT and Fleeky now to begin crafting your first viral video. Share your creations with us using AI TikTok success, and let's build a community of innovative creators.